अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त एंजला। आज हम बात करेंगे प्रोजेक्ट पे एक्स एंड वाई। वेलकम टू एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच joining my live stream. Knowledge Asset Protocol contact X and Y trading competitions is live. Join and share 2.00.00 X and Y reward. Get is currently holding the coded X and Y trading competition. Join right now and share the price. Share the 2.00.00 X and Y reward prize pool. Join now. Coded X and Y trading competition competing is live. Join and share 2.00.00 X1 X and Y reward. Get is currently holding the coded X and Y trading competition competing. Join right now and share the 2.00.00 X and Y reward prize pool. Activity 1. Reach to the X and Y trading ladder part of our 1.600.00 X and Y prizes. During the event, user will have now less than $5.00 X and Y spot trading volume can share the 1.600.00 X and Y reward based on their X and Y spot trading volume running. Running 1. Reward 160.00 X and Y minimum X and Y trading volume personal. $8.00.00. 2. 130.00 X and Y $6.500.00. 3. 565.00 X and Y $3.00.00. 4 minus 50 equally share 3 to 0.00 X and Y $350.00. Other user share 952.5.00 XNY based on spot trading volume property $5.00. Activity 2. Exclusive benefit from newcomers share extra 200.00 X and Y rewards. During the event now, users who register and reach spot trading volume of $2.00 or futures trading volume of $10.00 will receive a 1.00 X and Y reward. The total prize pool is 2.00.00 X and first come first service. First service. Activity 3. Invalid friends share 2.00.00 X and Y referral bonus. During the During the event, invite a friend to register and complete a spot trading volume of $2.00 of futures trading volume of $10.00 to earn as 2.00 X and Y reward. The more friends and invalidity, the more rewards can you can earn rewards. The rewards are distributed on a first come first served basis. Total referrals 1.1 minus 5. Reward 2.00 X and Y personal 6 minus 20300 X and Y person 20 15 1500 X and Y personal. Notes. All participating need click the join now button and completing credit verification before the event ends are be eligible for rewards to trading volume by volume sale volume. The total reward for this event is 2.00.00 X and Y rewards will be distributed within 14 working days after the campaign ends. The user of duplicate accounts and any other cheating and chatting behavior such as inflation of trading volume, block registration of fake accounts, self-trading order matching. ETC are interpreted prohibiting multiple accounts with the company identified verification information will be treated as the sub-accounts cannot participate in this activity. Market marks, cooperating and individual accounts, affiliate agent accounts and sub-affiliate sub-agent accounts, partner accounts, sub-accounts, partner active accounts are not eligible to participate is this event. If the user participates in other activities and on get is plentiful that will only receive the reward from one activity. Where when disturbances arise between the translated verification and the original English version, the English version shall behavior get receiver get right all right to the finally expression. This event is not affiliated with Apple ANC. Done. User in the unrelated kingdom and other registered location cannot access the service included the participating in this event or competition. See the user agreement from future in details on registered locations. We do not intend to solid or candidate market to urge towards customers is large registered locations. Combined period led 25 3, 24 and 225 7 am August 1st 2025 7 am UTC. Activity 1 rules to the X and Y trading in later part of 1.0 1.600.00 X and price. During the event, user who have now lost than $5.00 X and Y spot trading volume can share the 1.00600.00 X and Y reports based on their X and Y spot trading volume training. Trade now X and Y US. Activity 2, exclusive benefit from newcomers. They share extra 2.00.00 X and Y rewards during the event. Now user will register and reach. Welcome to rewards. During the event, now user will register and reach spot trading volume of $2.00 or future trading volume of $210.00 will receive a 1.00 X and Y reward. The total prize pool is 2.200.00 X1. First come, first receiver. Now user registrant. Future operation guide. Activity 3, invalid friends share 200.00 X1 referral bonus. During the event, invalidate our friends to register and complete sport trading volume of $2.00 or future trading volume of 210.00 to earn our 200X and Y rewards. The more friends you invalidate, the more rewards you can earn. Rewards are distributed on a first come first service basis. Notes: all participants need to click the join now button and complete it required verification before the event ends to be eligible for rewards. Trading volume by volume, sale volume. The total reward for this event is a 2.00.00 X and Y rewards will be distributed within 14 working days after the campaign ends. The use of duplicate accounts and any other chatting behavior such as inflating of trading volume by look resistant for fake accounts. Self-trading order matching etc. are in certificatory prohibiting multiple accounts with account different verification information will be trader the account accounts of accounts cannot participate in this activity. Micromask cooperating and individual accounts applicated account accounts and sub applicatory sub accounts Partner accounts and sub-partner accounts are not eligible to participating in this event. If the user participating is in other activity and get successful, then will and only receive the reward from one activity. Where and discrepancy is between the translated version and the English original English version. The English version shall prevail. Get receiver are right to the friendly expressions. This event is not affiliate with Apple ANC. User in the United Kingdom and other registered location cannot access the service including they participate in this event or competition. Sell the user agreements or future details and registered location. We do not invite it to solid to our candidate market towards towards customer insights registered locations. Get team to July 25, 2025. Get why to crypto trade over 3.50 cryptocurrencies selfie quickly and easily on Get. Tech activate now. Sync Sync activity now. Sign up and claim up to $10.00 in welcome rewards, invalidate friends, and earn a 14% commission. Check and tips. Visit uh, visit Get official website. Download the Get app. Follow users and X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram commission to discuss trading topics. Engage with our global commission for this last latest insights. Transparency and security check are 100% proof of receiver. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Get Alpha let's it X and Y trade to share 2.00 X and Y airdrops. Get alpha less it lizard cat that X and Y real time limited a drop bonus event live trader to share a drop pool coins X and Y. Full name could get coded. Public public chain BNB chain. Countries address project information gadget it is a discrete list protocol and data information compromising user to scale user to security info transform their can 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 technology info into digital assets. Unlocking countries are knowledges. Event periods like 25, 23.2025, 10.00 July, 28.2025, 15.359 UTC. Get alpha less illicit A, X, and Y. Trade to share 2.00.00 X and Y airdrops. Top 100 qualifying by trading volume 66.43 USD. During the event, data from the previous day will be updated after 3.00 UTC and detail after the event cancels the final quality data will be updated. Reward 1 top 100 win $50. Trade X and Y get alpha with 500 USD total by trading by during the event top top 100 by total by volume get 5.00 X and Y airdrop. Reward to first 1.00 get $10. Trade X and Y on Get Alpha with 100 USDT total buy during the event 1.00 X and Y airdrop for the first 1.00 user, first come first served. Reward 3 days check in get $20. Trade to 120 USDT X and Y daily to check in active Excalatory 3 plus check-ins during the event to share 500.00x and Y pool by check-in in the ratio. Max 2.00x and Y per user. Join the Get Alpha community and unlock more high value and event rewards. Event notes. One click join now and regulatory for the system to record by data. Check in roles trade check in roles trading and trading periods of 0.00.0023.59.59 UTC daily continue as one click and is day. Only user we met to vocabulary are eligible from rewards. Please read the event rules carefully. The reward value display it and on the event page is on estimated figure for reference only for the activity rewards rule. Please refer to the official activity and the article display result. The registration form the event page leads on only to the Alpha Trading Zone to cryptocurrencies display on the registration page does not necessarily exclusive representation the event as preferring trading pair please if verified to exit cryptocurrencies country and regulatory to the event to is the official explanatory. Reward 1 top 10 with airdrop 5.00 X and Y. During the event, amount user will trade X and Y is get alpha along with cumulative X and Y by volume. 500 USD. The top rate by cumulative by volume get extra 5.00 X and Y. Reward to first 1.00 trader targets get a drop 1.00 X and Y. During the event, user will trade X and Y on Get Alpha with cumulative X and Y by volume 100 USD get a drop 1.00 AX and AX X and Y total 1.00 spot first come first service. Reward 3 reward trade trade check into share 50.00 X and X and Y. During the event, they daily cumulative X and Y by volume 520 USDT. Contents and as successfully check is X accumulatory 3 plus check in is to share 5 to 0.00 X and Y X and Y with reward protocols to check to your check in days max rewards per user 2.00 X and Y. Check in rules. Target is some capital strict state statistics periods to 0.00.002 to 3.59.59 UTC daily countries and us one check in day. Reward 1, Reward 2 and Reward 3 can be up between sem- semicolorities. How to participate is Get Alpha Trading. Please go to the Get Alpha section, search for X and Y and participate is trading. Disclaimer: the above token token information is contributing by computing or encryption. Please can contact customer service property. Affecting affections. All participate must complete the identification verification before they can receive rewards. Rewards will be distributed within 14 working days after the end to of the event. User entry and ringing get alpha for this. For the first come need to read and complete the invalidate verification disclaimer as guide and sign to relevant user agreement. The tokens project of Get Alpha by Web recently successfully reached and application to so please invest it can base it on a full and undertaking of the risk. If I user participate in multiplayer events held during the periods, the reward for multiplayer events for participating are not sporting or displayed as claim when the rewards of a single event participate are sporting. If there is any discrepancies between the transparent verification and the English version, the English version shall prohibit get service to solid discredited and right to discredit in this event to activity and has the right to modify reliability relevant dreams are cancelled. The event cannot period notes. The event is not relative to Apple ANC. User in the UK and other registered each cannot all user are part of the service quality participating in this event. Game and part competition from details information above registration each please read user agreement please note that we not invalidated and solid or market to countries is such a reason is get by to crypto trade our 3 pointers 5 cryptocurrency selfie and easily on get Dark activity now sign up and claim up to $10.00 in welcome rewards, invalidate friend and earn a 14% commission. Stake and contribution. Visit Get official website, download the Get app, follow use an X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram competing to discuss trading topics available with our global commission from this last insight. Okay. Transparency and security check are 100% proof of receiver. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share. Launch full quickness taking at the vertical knock tokens for 4.7 billions. $3 point two five to 1 billion to funds resistant 5.98 billion participating 1.03 billion estimatary for rewards. FAQ. What is Launchpool? Launchpool is a platform where users can stake their asset or private in Gallery to earn rewards in our project tokens. User can lock spot free tokens in the Launchpool to receive a compensating project token rewards. Join Launchpool now. Question number 2. How can a participant in Launchpool? First, log into your Get accounts and negative to the launch pool page. Then, choose the project you want to participate is get in and stage your assets. Question number 3. What can a stake is launch pool? The tokens available for participating will be connected on this mining page of each project. Please visit the prospecting page of Launchpool to review more details. Question number 4. How many tokens will be rewarded? Early staking rewards invalidated token letters. One horse valid staking amounts. Total pool staking amounts. Only reward pool. The system will take snapshot of invalidated staking amounts each hour and stake the average as the valid staking amount. Question number 5. How are reward distributed? System will stake a snapshot of invalidated staking amounts and distributed tokens. Reward to eligible user hourly earnings will be distributed into user or spot accounts. Question number 6. When will the ticket asset be redeemed? After the user redeems in advance or the staking is completing, the staking asset will be transferred. Is simple earning but different if this option is unlocked. The system acid will be determined into spot acid if the amount of determined acid is too simple and or does not met to maximum substitution amount of simple and the acid will be automatically different to spot acid. If simple and does not spot the proportion of the determined tokens, the acid will also be automatically transferred to spot acid. Question number 7. Can I return by taking acid at any time? The system will take multiple snapshot of persons taking amounts each hourly and calculation the valid taking amount. Every each repetition, my result is in the loss of equity rewards. Please amend netting stable staking amounts to unseek mining rewards. Question number 8. Can I add radical education taking acid? You can increase your acid stake. You can increase your staking acid at any time. The most tokens of your stake to the greater in production mining rewards. However, once the rewards cap in receipt, you will not longer receive staking amounts. Question number 9. Can a participate in multiple project at the same time? Then there if you are multiple launchful project going on at the same time you can stake in different pools to receive it now. Token mining rewards from multiple projects. Each staking pool needs to be staking. If you unstick acid if in pool A, you will not be able to operating rewards from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B, sporting to operating the cooperating mining rewards. Question number 10. What is the maximum mining rewards I can receive? The honey rewards red cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, now future staking rewards will be threatened. Please we are referred to the relative in prospecting to mining paid from the reward hard cap limited from each project. Question number 11. Will staking acid will in the large pool impress it may be available? No acid stake in get launchable will be incalatory in the acid in holding inclination of holder airdrop, launchable and VIP prohibitions. Thank you so much, Johnny. मैं लास्ट लगता है holder airdrop, holder airdrop, hold GT and get massive 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 airdrop for free. Thank you so much, Johnny. My live stream. Welcome to everyone. How to participate is the holder airdrops. As long as your GT holdings in GET accounts is not less than one, you can participate as receiver or airdrop without looking or staking GT. When, ac- when, ac- ac- when accounts GT holdings will be included in this calculation. Total GT holdings in inflated accounts, spot account, inflated my accounts, corporate trading accounts, post accounts, financial accounts, and payment or accounts have every GT is in crypto and line and GT2 are inflated. How is your drop amount calculated? Once you join the project and system will retrieve your GT holdings taking a multiplier return Snapchat every horse to calculate your average horse holdings. Your final report is based on your average holdings during the entry project periods. If your average holdings are play and 1 GT, you will not receiver and rewards finally tokens receiver your average holdings all participating average holdings total airdrop amounts. What is budgeting? Budgeting is an asymmetric value included in the number of airdrop tokens you collect receiver by participating in this holder airdrop project with 1 GT and a holding is it enlisted the ends. of the project. Please get notes that budget is will change based on the total aircraft amounts and the GT holdings for of all participants is updating halls. Where are my holdings can continue a different exclusive project. The system user return snapshot of calculated your average holdings depending on when you join each project and calculated average holdings by every ensuring is your holding amounts where it remains consistent. Your average holdings should be the company's all project you participate in. What is the unvalidated participating cap? Different projects have different invalidated participant limits. You can check the detail page of the event and military of more information. Can a participate is multiple project at the same time? You can participate in multiple projects. How well the airdrop rewards be distributed. Airdrop will be calculated and distributed with 1 hour after the project ends. You can check in anytime launch pool order airdrop participate history. Candidate completing tasks to claim airdrop 83.43k total participate 768.3k total airdrop PST. Select the project you are interested in and limiting in entry active tasks to earn candles. To complete entry active tasks, the more tasks to complete, the more candles you earn, and the better your can changes to getting airdrop rewards will be. To see airdrop, airdrop check the reward distributed status and with respect and paid for airdrops. थैंक यू सो मच जानी माई लाइव स्ट्रीम वेलकम थैंक यू आज का प्रोजेक्ट बस इतना ही था एक्स 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 एंड वाई जो कि मैंने आपको इसके बारे में सब डिटेल्स दे दी हैं फिर मुलाकात होगी एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ दुआ में याद रखिएगा टेक केयर अल्लाह हाफिज़ बाय बाय